How to sign up for a new account on NameCheap. Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way to create an account on NameCheap. So let's just jump right in. Open up your web browser first and go to the search bar. Simply search for NameCheap. What this is, it's basically a domains and hosting website where you can get domains for as less as $6 for the .com domain. So in order to create a new account, what you need to do is simply scroll up and you're going to have to find the sign up button here. If you already have an account, you can directly enter your username and password here to simply sign in. But if you're new, click on the sign up button and you'll be taken to a different page where you have an option to create an account. So here on the username, you're going to have to enter a unique username for yourself and then create a password that you will remember. And once you have entered your password, just re-enter it. And then once that is done, just enter your first name, then your last name. And after that, you're going to have to provide your email address. Once you've provided your email address, just if you want to get a newsletter or any updates regarding this, check this box. I'm not going to do that. Now click on create and continue. Now it's going to send a security code to your email. So once that is done, just click on I'm not a robot. And then you're going to have to verify your CAPTCHA real quick. And once you click on verify, you should be good to go. And once you go ahead and continue, you should be able to land on your dashboard and you've successfully created your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.